Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara Savage. Guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a neckline, a neck facing for a round neck. So it's going to turn out like this. Can you guys see how perfect this is? And if I turn it to the front, it is clean. Like, look at it, it is so clean. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you guys how to make this. And if you want to see how I made this top, the final making of this top is going to come out on the channel. The next video actually will be the top making of this particular tutorial. So let's get into this video. You're going to need a fabric that is like this. You have to have a measurement that is your neckline width plus 2 inches and then the depth plus 2 inches. Now you guys are going to understand what I'm saying. So this is it right here. I'm going to now put the folded side on where my folded side of my fabric is. So make sure you align it very well so you don't make any mistakes. So to make it better, I will even use a pin to pin it down. Now guys, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to trace out this neckline curve. So trace it out correctly. And then we're going to cut it out. So follow the slant as well and then cut it out. So now that we have this, can you guys see what it looks like? We are now going to measure 2 inches all around. Go all around by 2 inches. And then we're going to join it together. Once that is joined, just cut it out and your neckline is ready. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open it up, cut this same piece for the second side. So for the back, since it's the same neckline I'm using, guys, this is what my neckline looks like right now. Can you see I have sewn the edges like I showed you guys how I was doing, sewn this edge as well. Look at the front, it is clean. It is so clean. Now you can easily use hemming gum. So once you put hemming gum, just iron it on it and it's going to stay. It's not going to come out at all. But if you want to do an invisible stitch, you can easily do an invisible stitch, which I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to do it right now. So guys, you're going to take your needle and thread and then you're going to start sewing from here. So sew it from the back. bring it out like this. I'm going to do that again. You are now going to go inside. So you know, inside the part that we sewed right here, so go inside that seam. So try and make sure it's entering inside. Then once you're about 2 inches in, just go to the front right here, push it out, and then push it out. Tiny, very tiny, very, very tiny, like very tiny. So just bring it out. So can you see? Then we're going to go again inside that seam right there, and then bring it out. Tiny stitch, very tiny stitch. And this is what it looks like. Can you see? You can't even notice it at all. So you're going to continue sewing it that way till you get to this other side, till you get to the end. So guys, I am done sewing. Can you see what it looks like? It looks so invisible, like you won't be able to see anything in front. And this is it right here. This is the back. And I'm just going to finish up the way I started, so twice. And that's it, guys. I am done with my neckline. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you guys learned a lot from it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video within and outside your circle. If you try out these methods, don't forget to tag me on Instagram at Lara Savage Creations. I'll be ready to showcase your work with all my growing followers and even here on YouTube. And until my next video, do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon, or night wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.